So we just arrived at the Just in XX show. First thing we do when we're here is we get the stylist to set up so they've got the right tools. We get a model and we do a run through so that everyone knows how to execute the look. Just finished rehearsals, show's about to start. We're just going to go back a house now and start getting the models ready for the runway, then on to a hair test. The Just in XX show. The show was great, the hair was awesome. Big thanks to the Unite team and Amika for my hair tools. Okay, so we're just creating a real soft Marcel feel through the front with a real soft finger wave into a nice clean ponytail. And then we're going to get the deep wavers and create this really cool loose undone texture at the back. Finished today. The hair test with Aliette was amazing. Now it's back to the hotel for some time for some sleep.